Hello everyone, I am going to show you how the order list work in our application. So this is the master. We already explained in the previous video how the master will work, order list master will work. So first, as you can see, we add a category. We select the cycle types, description, and then the type, free text or checkbox. We first commit it, then when we edit we add the items here. So as you can see, we can add checkbox or text box. As I select the free text here, in the items we can add only the text box. So here you can see we can add a text box. Here we have to add a label placement, that is you want to add a label in front of the text box or at the back of the text box, or you don't want any label. If you want any label, you have to give one label name here in the text box. You can add sub items here also. You can add a checkbox for a sub item or a pretext. If you have checkbox, just give the name of the checkbox. If you want to add a free text, you have to also give a label at the front, back, or you don't want to give any label. So by using this, you can add, edit, or delete the categories. What we add new here is add a template order routine. Here you can see all the practitioner of this clinic. For every practitioner there will be multiple routines. So if you add a routine, you have to select a practitioner first. If you select a practitioner, you can add a number of routines here. When you add a routine, you have to give the routine name, and you have to select the cycle type. Every routine have to select a cycle type. So as you can see here, routine cycle type you have here. You cannot edit the cycle type, only edit the routine name here. You can delete this routine also. So here you can see for every routine you have to add some categories here. So if you select, you have to select the routine first. So if you select it, you can see the categories here added. You can see here all the categories you can see. And the categories will come as per the cycle type for routine. As you can see, for routine 1 we select the cycle IVF. So in the drop down you can see only the categories which is for IVF. So you can add multiple number of items here. You can edit it, change the categories. So you can add multiple categories. So here the master of temple error routine. By using this, we will add in the cycle type. As you can see, if you go to the say this IVF cycle type, go to the coordination. Here you can see the order list. If you don't add any provider, let me show an example of that, which don't have any provider added. Okay, here there is no provider. If you go to directly go to the order list, it will show a message that is, please select a provider first in coordination tab to proceed. So if you select a provider, every provider has multiple routines. So it is an IVF cycle type. So which are the routines which are in the cycle type IVF, it will show in the drop down. So if you select a routine and add create button, you can see the number of categories which are added for for that routine. It will show here. You can add value here, it will save in the database. If you reload it, you can see the data is showing here. Okay, so let's see, you want to change this template, so you want to create a new one. So if you want to change for another provider, let's say I select another provider, the routines name will be changed. So if you select it and create a button, it will show a message that will, are you sure that you want to create a new template? If you do so, then the former template information will be deleted. Proceed only if you wish to create a completely new template. So if cancel, then it will not be added. If you press OK button, the previous template will be deleted and the new template of that routine will be created. So these are the changes we made for the order list. Thank you.